Total gain, 3,745%, while maintaining a low drawdown of just 13%. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're showcasing a powerful and fully automated trading system called FXStabilizer. Originally priced at $999, this AI is now available for only $20, exclusively on FXCrack. Time frames. H1 built for precise entries and smooth execution across multiple conditions. Pairs. Gold, selected for stable performance and strong market opportunities. To start using this EA, a minimum balance of $500 is required. Now let's review the EA's performance. This EA has achieved a total gain of 3,745%. While maintaining a low drawdown of just 13%. It also delivers a solid 65% win rate, showing consistent and reliable trading results. Now, let's open MetaTrader 4 and set up the EA. In the Inputs tab, you can adjust the settings according to your trading preferences. The EA is now fully configured and ready to trade. For full details and instant download, visit our website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.